Hey guys, I'm Adgan. He's Ayu. Today we're going to unbox an AmScope Kid's microscope. Ta-da! We got it from Amazon. Let's unbox. Now we cut it. Can I cut? Yes. Thank you. From this side. I'm so excited. I love microscopes and telescopes. Okay. We might do a video for the next video. Oh, yeah, look at this. We just need to close it. Okay, now we put it on. Ta-da! Okay, so let's take this side panel and this side panel. Let's put it in the box and let's open this with a scissor. Actually, it comes this like this. Okay, here's it. So amazing. Now let's open it. Here's two latches to keep it closed. Look at it. It comes with batteries. Here's the batteries. Here's the microscope. I'm going to take the microscope out. So here it is. And now we're going to look at the instructions. We unscrewed the bottom part and put the batteries. Now this is the light. You flip it over and the light turns on. And now we're going to show how it works. Step one, you take this off. You turn this around. You put your specimen, and then you open this like maybe let's call it lock. And we close the lock. It has 3 magnifications, and this is medium, one's small, and one's high. You count this to see closer or farther away from it. This is the cap that keeps the part you're looking to safe. This is the stand, this is the light, and this is where you put your specimen. So I'm going to see. What can I see? What can I see? Oh, it's so hard. Can't see it. We are looking at the cotton stem. I can't see it. Let me get closer. Can you see? Oh, wow. Let's look into the box. There's a scope, a spatula, a pipette, and there's a specimen vial, tweezers, a test tube, and a petri dish, and a spare light if this one breaks, and this cover if this one's lost. If you want to make your own slide with a specimen, first you get a blank slide like this one. You put your specimen, and then I just need to find that piece. Here. You put a plastic slide cover lightly on it. Okay, it's hard to open this. I'm gonna just pretend this is my specimen. I put this here. Can you get this out, please? Okay. You need to put it lightly. And it says to not make so it's foggy, just dusty. It says like you can't see. So you use your tweezers you get from the set. And then you lightly put it on the specimen. I couldn't do that, but yeah. Ta-da! And then you put it Oh yeah, forgot something. You need to put water on your specimen and then put this lightly on and then get a paper and gently push down, and that's how you make one. And then you put the light on. You close the latch. I have this small black for now because I'm not that strong. And then you look through. Or if you want, you could change it to high, medium, or low. If you want to see the specimens we make with our new microscope, please come back to our channel. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates when we make a new video. Bye! Bye!